Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I'm going to share a flip through of the Flittering Gem Journals that I made. So let's start with this one on the top. I made this journal on March the 11th. Some of the elements were made on Facebook Live and some were done on YouTube Live. And now I'm just going to go through and show you what I've done. So for the cover, I printed what is designed as the cover page, and then I added some lace trim here so you can see the image underneath, and then I added a little bit of fabric just because I didn't want this cardstock to rip out. Wasn't sure how well it was going to act, and I wanted to add a little decorative edge to it. That was just glued down. This is one of the beautiful images in the Flittering Gems kit. You can also get this not only as a digital download, but as a physical kit as well. It's printed for $14.99 or the digital for $10.99, and I have the links below in the description box. Then I made these little journal tags. This is a journal tag. There's a multi-pocket that I made. I've added some glitter to the birds and some of the flowers so it kind of sparkles. And using my new stencil called Feeding Frenzy, I made this page and then added the images from Calico Collage on top. This is a pocket here. During the Facebook Live, I showed how I made this tuck spot and this journal card. That's using the Bella Rose stamp and Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. And these are some of the images out of the Calico Collage, and that's a Beeline Designs rubber stamp called Garden Friends. And then here I fussy cut one of the images. It was printed on cardstock, and then I put it on top of a page out of a Bible, and I added a strip of paper and washi tape it to the top. Add more fibers. And I have fibers for sale in my shop. I have 4 bundles, and each bundle has 10 different fibers or yarns, and I have, like I said, 40 of them, or 40 total different kinds. If you buy all 4 packages, you get 40 different colors and designs. This is a page that I made showing washi tape down the side, one of those tear-off pages so you have some writing space and a little bit of variety. Using the stencil with Tattered Angels, another journal card here. It's got a paper clip to keep it onto the little page flag. Using some more washi tape there. And I love the images with the glitter on it. Journal card, tuck spot. This time I just used the fussy cut item as a tuck spot in the journal, so it was just a way I wanted to share. This was a scrap that was left over from a fussy cut page, and I used a page out of a Bible and some washi tape and a gold doily with the same stamp on top of the Bella Rose that I used earlier. I like the way this came out. It's because I sprayed a journal card on top of there, and then everything is positioned so it looks like it's framed. I just think it's kind of neat. Another tuck spot here. So this was raffled off during my live stream. To enter, you had to be at the live stream and then make a donation. And the winner will be getting this journal, Kathy Lake, I believe is her name, in the next few days. As soon as I get done filming this, I'll package it up and send it to her. So you want to make sure you come to my live streams and see all the cool things that I do live, as well as have a chance to win the journal and other prizes too. I give away other prizes while I do the live stream. And a journal card there. The belly band. Journal card, tag. I showed how to make that on the Facebook Live. And then this was a page that I fussy cut and then glued on top of the sheet music kit by Calico Collage. So I used 2 different kits for this journal. More of my spraying with the stencil. Another one of the corners. It's a beautiful, vibrant kit. If you love color, this is a perfect kit for you. And I'm really happy that Narella let me play with it because it's absolutely gorgeous. And I love using the Tattered Angels with it, and some of my scraps that I have just all blends right together. So that was made on March the 11th. Let me show you the journal that was made on March the 14th. So for this one, I made a little closure using a bracelet piece and a little clasp. And when I was doing this earlier, it worked just fine. There it goes. So this is normally like a bracelet piece that would go across here. And I just tied the ribbon to one side. I don't know if you can see that. I just kind of tied it through there. And then it slipped through the binding here. And then this side is tied on. And I went ahead and added another ribbon just for variety. And this is a different cover that's part of the kit. And then I chose to print something different on the back side, but I love opening up that first page and seeing that all that beautiful color. This also has the planner kit available with the Flittering Gems, and so I used a few of the pages of that. I showed how I sewed on journal pages, and this is a tuck spot. This time I had mounted it to another piece of paper where I attached some lace and thought that would make it just a cuter tuck spot on a page. Did the same with this one. Another of the music sheets again from Calico Collage. I love this with the roses because hummingbirds like bright colors. More of the sprayed pages. And it's interesting because each journal comes out a little bit different whenever I make one. I don't know. There's some similarities, but there's always something different about them. This is where I showed, and we had buffering problems, so I'll have to do another video. But here's another pocket that I made. So it's a 3-tier pocket. And I put one up here, one like that, kind of one below. So you get the variety there. I love the planner pages. They're so pretty. And then here I put a little tag this way that I stamped on the bottom so you can write on the back. I like the way the Tattered Angels through the Feeding Frenzy stencil looks there. It's a cool look. Another large tag. This was one of the planner pages that I cut apart and shrunk just a little bit on my computer, and I think it looks really cute as a pocket. More journaling cards. This is some mirrored paper that I happen to have, and I was like, I need to use this up. Some more tags over here. I like doing the tags in different sizes so you get a little variety of height. And I love all the color on these two pages. Isn't that gorgeous? This journal is going to Christy Evabelle Johnson. She won this journal. I know she's really excited about winning it. This was just a card that I had in my stash, and I thought it'd just be cute to stick in here. I think it opens from the top. Yeah. And then here I glued down this piece as a pocket, and then this was an envelope and the other one a pocket, and this time I cut off the tabs and made it into a full journaling card. I just thought that would be kind of pretty to have that option. Here I used some of that blue mirrored and some music and a little bit of eyelash trim or yarn. Another pocket in the back. And then that is this journal. I hope you enjoyed seeing a flip through of the Flittering Gem journals that I made using the Flittering Gem digital kit from Calico Collage. And like I said, you can also get the printed kit through my shop. Just check the description box below for links. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and again, comment below if you have any comments or things you would like to say. And I hope you'll come to my next live stream, which is on Monday at 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thursdays at 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then occasionally I may do some pop-up lives, but those are my two main scheduled days. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Have a fabulous day. Love you lots. Bye.